Okay, gang, Carlton back again with a little analysis on band protocol. I tell you one thing I really love about band, it is price volatility. I have traded this thing so many times here in the last month, and it's just fun. It gives me good practice on learning how to swing trade because we've got such good movement with these swing channels in your price. So you can notice here that, with this upward movement and then a nice downtrend movement with this down swing channel here, and then you get another swing channel coming up with all of this price movement here. So you make another channel there. And each time these swing channels change direction, what you do, you know that you've got a buying or a selling opportunity coming because you cross the line and you break that swing channel. Like right here with this latest channel, when you break that line, you know that this is an opportunity for you to sell or to get out. Now, I actually sold before we even got anywhere near to this peak, but now we're looking like we're entering into the next channel, the swing channel down. And so what'll happen here, we will have some trading activity that will probably like fall within the boundaries of a parallel trading zone, just like this. So what I'll look to happen here is for price to bounce around between these nodes. And then according to the stochastic and the unbalanced volume, I think that we pretty much have a good idea of what the low point is going to be for band, of where you'd probably want to load up again, which is when I will. But let me tell you what I think is going to happen. First of all, stochastic is bottomed out. We're in oversold territory, so we're going to have another up cycle here, and it might not be all nice and smooth like that. It might be here where you see you go up, down, up, where it's indecisive, or sometimes we peak and then we peak again right after it and get a double hump. Whatever the case, whenever we get to the top of this movement, I'm looking to see what the price will return up above. All right. Now, I'm thinking we may just jump up here to where this volume node is at about, what, 650, or we might jump back up to $7 here at best case. And I don't think that's going to happen because that would probably put us outside of the swing channel. So I'm thinking at best case scenario, we jump up here to around that 650 and then start the next leg down. So we could have something going on like this. And what is your bottom target? Well, look at this node right here, peaking out at a price of what, $4.25, $4.30. It's very possible that we can hit that price if BTC continues to push down towards 14,000 or 13 or 12. I don't know, but I'm thinking that BTC is going to have another leg down. And as we push down towards that 14,000, that's when we're going to start to trade below the point of control right here, which is where we're at right now. We're trading at the POC. We're going to dump on down to 430, and that's where I am going to turn green and pick up another bag and then ride that next cycle up. So each time I buy and sell band, I get more. So for instance, let me just explain to you like this. Let's say I bought somewhere down here. I think this is where I bought. Okay. And then let's say if it's 10 band, and then I sell that 10 right here for a profit. So then the next time we dip down, I would buy 15 like right here. And then I would turn around and sell 15 band there. So whatever that profit is, you just add that in and buy more. So when we get down to this buy zone, maybe I'm buying 20. And then we move on up and we sell that amount and we continue to swing trade this thing all throughout the market. Now, I know some people say, you going to get wrecked because you going to miss the major move to 9,572. Well, that usually doesn't happen because you know good and darn well that when the price goes parabolic, as soon as you hit into that vertical area, it's pretty safe to say you're going to get a correction. So you should get out at some point when it starts to look vertical and wait for that correction to happen. Now, you can't always call the peak at the absolute top, but you always know that once you hit into a parabolic movement, it's going to correct at some point. And this will happen for the end of time. That's just the way it is. So that's what I think is going to happen with band. Let's keep our eyes on the prize. Let me know what you think, and that's my hand. I need to move my hand out of the camera. Let me know what you think is in the short-term future for band. How bullish are you or bearish? And how big of a bag of band are you going to hold before the next run up? This is Carlton, the Crypto Pro, and I am out.